This mom is adjusting to her new normal after losing her hands and legs because of all things a dog lick. Marie Trainer woke up from a 10-day coma to find her limbs had been amputated.
I cried. I cried the hardest I ever cried in my life.
The life-changing tragedy had its origins during a vacation in the Caribbean with her husband. Marie says she was using her key card to access her hotel when she accidentally nicked herself on her wrist. It was a tiny little scratch, a silly accident. It hardly hurt. When Marie came home, her dog Taylor greeted her with lots of kisses, but the dog also licked Marie's scratch. 4 days later, Marie got very sick and was rushed to the hospital with a severe infection and septic shock.
Her arms were turning black all the way up just below her shoulders.
It turns out that her dog's saliva carried a bacteria called Capnocytophaga. It's quite common in dogs, but what happened to Marie is a very rare occurrence.
It is a 1 in over a million. I mean, the chance is so rare. You would never think that a dog lick would cause someone to lose their hand.